Documentary, grade 1 to 3. Beautiful birds, beautiful birds. Pigeon, pigeon. Vocabulary, ability, ability. Identify, identify. Exceptional, exceptional. Image, image. The pigeon has exceptional eyesight and ability to identify objects. It can recognize its own image in the mirror. It eats nuts, seeds, and fruits. Oriole, oriole. Medium-sized, medium-sized. Berries, berries. Nectar, nectar. Live, live. The oriole is a medium-sized bird. It eats berries, arthropods, and nectar. It can live up to 14 years. Cockatoo, cockatoo. Intelligent, intelligent. Emotional, emotional. Scream, scream. Communicate, communicate. The cockatoo is an intelligent and emotional bird. It can be trained to talk. It screams to communicate with other cockatoos. Macaw, macaw. Beak, beak. Grasp, grasp. Agile, agile. Things, things. The macaw is a member of the parrot family. It has a large, strong, curved beak. It has strong, agile toes that are used like hands to grasp things. Activity. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The blank has an exceptional eyesight and ability to identify objects. The blank has an exceptional eyesight and ability to identify objects. What is your answer? The answer is pigeon. Pigeon. Number 2. The blank is a medium-sized bird. The blank is a medium-sized bird. What is your answer? The answer is oriole. Oriole. Number 3. The blank is an intelligent and emotional bird. The blank is an intelligent and emotional bird. The answer is cockatoo. Cockatoo. Number 4. The blank is a member of a parrot family. The blank is a member of a parrot family. The answer is macaw. Macaw.